Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Rollins. I'm a partner here at the law firm Rollins and Chan. Today we're just discussing a very brief educational video on how to pay the firm. Sounds like it would be pretty simple, but in DC and in most other states, Maryland and DC, both require attorneys that are conducting business to have two separate accounts. One is a trust account and the other is an operational account. The trust account, the interest that when you put money into the trust account, it goes to that bar association, and the bar association takes the interest from the money, and usually it's very low, and so they'll take the interest from that. But the major point is that the money that goes into the trust account does not belong to the attorney. It belongs to the client and has not been decided or where that money goes yet. So usually this is the first payment in the case because the attorney has not started or has not begun any work on the case. And usually clients will add funds into this trust account when they're on an hourly basis because the attorney hasn't given them an exact amount of money of how much it will take to conclude the case. But for most of our cases here, we have ours go into the operational account. One is that the client consents to most of the payments going into the operational account. Usually this is money owed to the firm or for an outstanding bill. And so this is just a breakdown because on our website you'll see that rollinsandschan.com/portal, you'll see that you can actually make a payment to one of these two accounts. And so I'm just trying to explain to you which one of these accounts you would pay into. For most of this, remember, this is only pay this way if you owe. So when you click on pay bill, you usually have an outstanding bill. We've sent you a bill, and now you just click on this to pay the bill. Or you can just click on the bottom of the invoice and it will go through this payment through PayPal, and so your payment goes through PayPal and it goes directly into our operational account. If, however, you're a new client and we have not begun any work on your case and you're just simply hiring us, and this is your first time hiring us and we haven't gone to court yet, we haven't done anything, then the payment's going to go through this account, which is the trust account payment right here. And so you click on pay retainer and the money would go through this account, and it would have this title on it. So when you see this, you know the money's going to the trust account, and again, the trust account belongs to the client. It does not belong to the attorney, and the money in that account belongs to the client. And it's only when work is performed on the case can the attorney then take money from the trust account and put it into his operational account. So that's just a brief overview to explain to you the difference of why there's two payments on our account where you can pay the bill or you pay retainer. So hopefully that helps explain the differences on the accounts. And if you have any other questions, just contact us and we'll be happy to speak to you about this. Thank you.